megalayapost.news.
Kumbashi sepasan pemudi samla kan tebat senrang nak sinong beper jong katanya bernihat bat gibala pendep dia kejing syaikai ke bandriu teo kanti halor kilan wat kam sarkar haki bang baru kumno bani khun ya ke exam kiba kentup kum ka CUET CLAT lembat giwe mata kasi gilio ban pedang ya ki sernot kabalong kum kejing pensisya bakila pendep ya ke kejing syai kai ya kita kisernot lasam dau ba sos chana sotun MLA ke jerang harengkat ke jindon lang uba Eric Dekar video kumling blog uba yaine walang ba sinong lum nong thamai lembat giwe hakabaya kate program ban sammi kite gisernot la pelong haing darbar sinong lum nong thamai bernihan kite gisamla gi balio ban pedang ye gisernot kide gi bala pendep ya gingsya hikai halor ban wat ye ki kam sarkar hakibang bat ban nikun ya ka exam CUET CLAT ke coaching class ni kajaka aji ka ya kisamla ke bala pelong dak office deputy commissioner Riboy harengkat ke jing terlang UMLA ke jerang bat ke bala kersan dak chief minister careers guidance and counseling scheme ya kita kisamla la aji kai dak Trampan Institute of Management Education na Oblan Road Laim Kra Shillong hak bakil ai ji kai lan riteo man kasing kente bat bala pia aki arbenta kata ar kanta men step bat ar kanta hak por janmen
the sanction and in helping through the administration to the Deputy Commissioner of Riboy District along with the office of Umling Block, our BDO Umling Block, along with your local MLA. I hope that this program which you have already attended for the last 6 weeks, I hope this coaching class will make you succeed in your future interviews or any other exams which you are going to write. Dengan scam ba hi baro pilaya kibalayo ya kini ka jihikai lingba kini ka coaching class kaba lingba ka jirap jo honorable chief minister ha ka jihikai lang lingkat baru MLA ka administration of deputy commissioner ikat ba ka office jong video Umling Block ngakar man scam ba ki kun sama kiba don ya kata ka jeng angnut ana ya ka jingkrang ba maki kinyo e kalat talenti na ka benta kano ka exam ka bakinto kano ka jingmentoy na ka benta ka jong ki baro iwe kumbolong mane ngadon ya kata ka jingkrang ba ka jing angnut ban warna ya ka permanent building kabanlong ka permanent coaching class nak benta ki kun sama jong ka than ke jungi khnang ba kinyo ya ka jingmentoy ba kinla banyo ya ki knowledge ki batmai na ka jihikai jong kano ka institute ka banwan ban shimenta banwan IJKP na kanta ba kinyo ya ki jihikai ki batmai khnang ba mapi pilaban let ban face ya kano ka interview. We need the institute, the Time Institute, to come for another coaching class. We will be discussing with them so that all the candidates will be facing for the for the future exams in any interviews, that they will get more and more knowledge to learn from the knowledge sharing by the Time Institute.
megalayapost.news.